Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rose. Today's video we're going to be doing another lash cluster install. Today I'm going to be aiming for Huda from Love Island, and this is what she looks like, y'all. I've seen some lash techs make some videos about her, and I was just like, y'all know this is clusters, right? Like, those are not eyelash extensions. Lash extensions are way more fluffier than clusters. I feel like I can tell the difference very easily. There's like more dimension with eyelash extensions, whereas with clusters there's kind of like a straight line. The thing that I like about Huda's lashes is that the shape is very defined. Okay, she has an actual cat eye shape. Now, can it be more defined? Can it be perfected? For sure. I feel like with her lash clusters, they're missing an inner corner. It's like she's missing a whole lash cluster, and that bothered me throughout the whole season when I saw her lashes, because I'm like, oh my gosh, let me do your lashes, Huda. Let me do your lashes, Huda. But anyways, I do want to recreate it and show you guys how I would have tweaked it if I was her. But I do want to focus on the shape because her shape is very nice. It's kind of like a cat eye, but the wing is very, very dramatic. If you are a Huda fan or just someone who wants to recreate this look, let's get into the video. The lashes that we're going to use today is called Kuriscape. Oh my gosh, I am definitely pronouncing it wrong, but this is what it looks like. The lengths are from 10 to 18 mm's. They also have spikes that are from 15 to 21 mm's. I purchased this because I really wanted to try out spikes, but for Huda's looks we're not going to be using spikes. I found this brand on Amazon, so y'all already know I'm going to be linking it in the description box below. So if you do want to try it, go ahead and click that link and purchase your lashes, okay? Let me zoom in. Ooh. All right, you guys, first things first, here is everything that you're gonna need. You're gonna need your lash bond or your lash glue, your lash sealant, you're gonna need a tweezer, and you're gonna need a little mirror, and of course you're gonna need the lashes. I like to use this glue from You Look Lashes. I think this is the best glue that I've come across so far. I like to put that all over my lashes, focusing on the base of my lashes. When doing a cat eye, it's very important that you use at least 4 different lengths. So for the lash map, we're going to start off with 16 mm's for the outer corner. Then we're gonna go with a 14 mm right after the 16 mm. To be honest with you, if there was a 15 mm, I probably would have done a 15 mm instead of the 14 mm. But since this is what we have to work with, that's what I'm using. And I wanted to show you guys that it's okay to mess up when it comes to doing lash clusters. It happens all the time. I do my lashes all the time and I still fumble sometimes. So if you ever find yourself in a sticky situation, you see what I did there? That's perfectly okay. Just keep trying and keep practicing. As y'all know, cat eye shape is very popular when it comes to lashes. Most of the clients that comes in want a cat eye or a natural cat eye. It's great for people with round eyes, closed or small eyes, almond eyes, and people with monolids. I think it flares up the ends of your lashes. It gives you a very elegant but fierce look. The difference with Huda's lashes, in my opinion, is that it is a dramatic cat eye, and I love how the wing is just very, very noticeable. So to achieve this look, I am going down gradually with shorter sets. So this is the lash map that I use. As y'all can see, I focus on 12s and 10s more because that is what is going to dramatize the ends and give it that lifted shape. And as for curls or lash curls, I think C or CC curl is perfect for cat eyes. And here is the final look, you guys. Y'all see the wing? Y'all see the wing? Okay. It's giving like you know?
Dame un grr.
Un qué?
Un grr.
Un qué?
Y'all, I really like these lashes. I'm gonna put everything in the description box below. The lash map, the supplies, and don't forget that the link for these lashes will also be linked below. I'm gonna do the other girls, Shelly, Alondria, Clark. I think Clark wears strips, but that's okay. You know, we love a strip, girl. We love a strip. So go ahead and subscribe for those videos. I just am waiting for lashes that looks more like their lashes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the sunrise. Bye.